on guard, and these officers also spent the night here. One of the most important messages that Kyagulanyi has put out everywhere that he has been since he started these campaigns in Arua is that he has urged his supporters to be non-violent, especially towards police officers and the army. And he reiterated that today morning while he was briefing the team ahead of today's campaigns in Chankwanzi, Chiboga and Kasanda. He asked them to be as non-violent as possible, not to provoke the police officers to use possibly lethal action to disperse them. He has asked them to follow the law, his supporters, and of course telling the Uganda police to also respect the law. There was heated verbal exchange between him and the DPC of this area in the morning when he woke up because the DPC was about to stop his briefing. He normally briefs the team before the campaign goes on to tell them where they are going and to tell them how the operations are going to move, where they will stop, where they will have a meal, if there is a meal. Today, he says breakfast will have to be had on the road. That has not been the case. They will always have breakfast in the morning and then supper in the night after the final district. But today, he says breakfast will be on the road, and that is because he has only been given 5 minutes to leave this position. So right now, fueling of the cars is ongoing, and then he will be headed to Chankwanzi. Well, Kyagulanyi Ssentamu has not been far from altercations with the Uganda police and security forces wherever he has been during this campaign trail. There's been a lot of tear gas, there's been a lot of volatile situations, and also some live bullets have been fired along the trail of Kyagulanyi. And this is in dispersing supporters, and I think in police trying to enforce the standard operating procedures of COVID-19, because he's meant to have only 200 supporters. But